Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm here with Virginia's Camp Invention Day 2. Let's get started. While we're reading, we are thinking about what do inventors do? And how can you be an inventor? Sorry, there we go. Let's review our vocabulary words. Say them with me. Invention, fly, flies, idea, camp. Yesterday, we visualized. You made a picture in your brain to help yourself think about what you were reading. Today, we will summarize using our question words. We are going to think, who is this text about? What are the people doing? Where are the people? Let's read the text again to answer those questions. Let's read the title together. Students focus on the next new thing at Virginia's Camp Invention. Please read the text to yourself from Hunter to Virginia. Read it to yourself. Okay, let's read it together. Hunter Wright is 11 years old. He wants to invent a bicycle that flies. To invent is to make something new. Hunter is building a small model of his idea. He is making it out of wax. Hunter talks to the other kids about what should be on the bike. One idea is a box for food. Another idea is making sure the bike flies high enough. It also needs to fly low. Then the rider can also walk a dog. 4 girls have another idea. They will make a new watch from old computer parts. The students are at a summer camp called Camp Invention. It is in the state of Virginia. Now, please get a pencil and a piece of paper so that you can write the question words. Pause the video and go get pencil and paper. Okay, first question is, who is this text about? On your paper, write who ? Then answer the question. Who is this text about? Write it on your paper now. When I look back in the text, I see that this text is about kids. 11 years old, talks to other kids, 4 girls, the students. So for who, I could put kids. I could also put students. What are the people doing? On your paper, write what ? Then answer the question. For what, I'm going to write making inventions. You can write that, or you can write something different as long as it is in the text. Next question, where? Where are the people? On your paper, write where. Let's look back in the text to see where they are. Write it down on your paper. For where, I'm going to write Camp Invention in Virginia. Now, how are they making inventions? Let's look back in the text. We will start to answer this today, and we will add more in the next lesson. What is Hunter doing to make his invention? He talks to other kids. He gets ideas. So I know he's thinking. I'm going to write those down. He makes a small model, a small one. Let's see. So how, think, talk. I'll say thinking, talking, making models. Okay. Let's read our summary together. Read it with me. Who? Kids, students. What? Making inventions. Where? Camp Invention in Virginia. How? Thinking, talking, making models. Good work today. Remember, when we read, we can use these question words to help us summarize. Say summarize. Summarize. Okay. For the next lesson, we'll finish reading this article and we'll think more about how you could be an inventor. Remember, keep reading, stay safe. I miss you. Bye, everybody.